This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study pharmacology easy guide. Start by organizing drug classes and prioritizing high-yield mechanisms before diving into details. Set up focused 25-minute study blocks with brief reviews between them. Use flashcards and spaced repetition to reinforce memory, and link drug actions to clinical scenarios to make learning meaningful and memorable for exams and practice. Begin each session with a quick review of previous flashcards and focus on application rather than passive reading. Rotate through flashcards, practice questions, and short teaching segments to engage multiple memory pathways. Write one-page summary sheets for each drug class and update them weekly to capture insights. Regularly test yourself under timed conditions to build recall speed and confidence for exams and clinical work. Start building mnemonics for common side effects and mechanisms, and convert long lists into memorable stories. Make comparison tables with color coding for quick visual differentiation of similar drugs and note key contraindications. Practice recalling drug classes by clinical vignette to anchor facts to real situations. Review summary sheets weekly and adjust mnemonic cues as needed so information stays accessible during exams and clinical rotations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.